Good morning, children. See the 10th question. If a train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, it reaches its destination rate by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 kilometers per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. Okay. So here, the train runs at 40 kilometers per hour. It reaches the destination rate by 11 minutes. Suppose if the train moves 50 kilometers per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. So what you have to find the distance to be covered by the train. What is the distance covered by the train you have to find. Okay. So let the distance covered by train be x. Okay, let the distance covered by the train be x. We don't know the distance, that's why we are taking x. Next, what is given? Time taken 40 kilometers per hour to cover x kilometers. Time taken to cover x kilometers at how much distance? 40 kilometers per hour equal to, so x by how many kilometers? 40. X by 40 kilometers per hour. Next, time taken to cover x kilometers at 50 kilometers per hour, that equal to x by 50 per hour. Okay, next what is given here? Time. It moves 40 kilometers per hour, it lays by 11 minutes. It moves 50 kilometers per hour, it moves 5 minutes late. Okay, so difference between the two timings. Difference between two timings equal to 11 minutes minus 5 minutes. How many minutes difference? 6 minutes difference. So here all are in hours only, but here minutes you have to convert into hours. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes is that? 60 minutes. So 6 by 60 hours. Okay. Now by the problem, x by 40 minus x by 50 equal to 6 by 60. Difference between the timings. Okay. So 40, 50. Find the LCM for 40 and 50. 5 8, 5 10s. 2 4s, 2 5s. 5 2s 10, 10 4s 40. 40 into 5 how much? 200. So in the 40 table how many times 200? 5 times. So 5x minus, in the 50 table how many times 200? 4 times. 4 into x, 4x is equal to 6 by 60. So 5x minus 4x how much, ma? X by 200 equal to 6 by 60. Now x is equal to 6 by 60. Here 200 is divided. If you transpose it here, what will become? Multiplication. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 6 to 6 will be cancelled. So x is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. So what is the distance covered by train? 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, ma'am. So right. Therefore, distance covered by train is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. Did you understand, ma'am? Right. See the next question mark. 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest. The 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of a river. Find the total number of deer. So 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest. So that means 1/4. That means x by 4. So total number of deer you have to find. We don't know how many deer are there. So that's why we have to take x. In that total number of deer, 1/4 of the deer go to the forest and remaining where they go, 1/3 of the total number of deer is going to the field and next 15 deer are drinking water. So total how many deer you have to find it. So let the total number of deer equal to x. Okay. One-fourth of deer. 1/4 of deer go to forest. So that means x by 4. Next, 1/3 of deer. 1/3 of deer grazing in a field equal to x by 3. And next 15 are drinking water. So how many deers drinking water? 15. Now by the problem, so 1/4 of deer go to forest, x by 4, plus 1/3 of deer grazing in a field, x by 3, and 15 are drinking water. So you have to find these all total. We will get total number of deer. Okay. So find the total. X by 4 plus x by 3. Here x is a now this x variable transfer to LHS, that is minus x is equal to here 15 is a transfer to z minus 15. Now find the LCM for 4 and 3, 12. So in the 4 table how many times 12? 3 times. 3 into x, 3x plus in the 3 table how many times 12? 4 times. 4 into x, 4x minus 12x is equal to minus 15. 3x plus 4x how much? 7x minus 12x by 12 is equal to minus 15. 7x minus 12 how much? Minus 5x is equal to minus 15. Here 12 is divided. If you transpose to here what will become? Multiplied. So x is equal to minus 15 into 12 by here minus 5 is the transfer to here what will become? Divide. So 5 3 is 15 minus minus will be cancelled. 3 12 how much? 36. Okay. So total number of days how many? 36. Therefore total number of days equal to 36. Okay, ma'am? Right. The next question, Seema. By selling a radio of rupees 903, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. So selling price given and gain also given. You have to find the cost price of that radio. So can you find, children? So what is given? Given selling price of radio equal to rupees 903. let the cost price of radio equal to X. We don't know cost price of radio, so that's why we are taking X. Next, what is given? Gain. Gain, how much given? 5%. Okay, so that means 5% of cost price. 5% of cost price, how much? X. So 5% is 5 by 100 into X. Okay, gain, what is given? 5%. That means cost price, 5% of cost price. Okay, so 5% of cost price, what you take it? X. So 5%, how can you write? 5 by 100 into X. Okay, now, therefore, selling price equal to cost price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain. Okay, what is selling price? 903. Cost price X. Gain. Gain how much? 5 by 100 into X. Okay. So 903 equal to 100 into X. 100X plus 5X by 100. 903 into here 100 is divide. If you transpose to here, what will become? Divide. Sorry, multiplication is equal to 100x plus 5x. How much? 105x. So x is equal to 903 into 100 by 105. Here 105 is multiplied. If you transpose to here, what will become? Divide. Now cancellation do. 5 20s, 5 2s 10, 5 1s 5. 3 7s 3, 3 7s 21, 3 3s 9, 0, 3 1s 3. Okay, next 7 4s 28, 2 is remaining, 7 3s 21. So x is equal to 43 into 20. That means 860. So therefore x is equal to how much? 860 rupees. What is x? Cost price. So therefore, cost price of radio equal to rupees 860. Okay, ma'am? Right. The next question, Seema. Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu and then gives 5 sweets to Razi. He has 7 sweets left. How many did he have to start with? So Shekhar gives sweets to Renu. How many? Quarter of his sweets due to Renu and 5 sweets to Razi. And he has to left 7 sweets left. Total how many sweets he have? Starting with how many sweets he started, you have to find. That means total number of sweets. So let the total number of sweets is equal to x. So total number of sweets how many? X. Next, number of sweets given to Renu. How many sweets given to Renu? Quarter of the sweets. That means x by 4. Next, number of sweets given to Raji. How many sweets given to Raji? 5 sweets. Okay, next, number of sweets left. How many sweets left? 7 sweets left. Okay, now you have to find the total number of sweets. So by the problem, so how many sweets given to Renu? X by 4 plus how many sweets given to Razi? 5. How many sweets left? 7. If you find all the total, we will get the total number of sweets X. Okay. Now you have to find total. X by 4 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to X. How can you find, children? X by 4 plus 5 plus 7, 12 equal to X. So X by 4, here X is there now transposed to here. What will become? Minus X equal to here plus 12 transposed to that minus 12. Okay. Now, so X minus 4X by 4 equal to minus 12. X minus 4X how much? Minus 3X. Minus 3X by 4 equal to minus 12. So minus 3X is equal to minus 12. Here 4 is divided. You transpose to here, what will become? Multiplication. So X is equal to minus 12 into 4 by minus 3. Minus minus will be cancelled. 3 4 12. So X is equal to 4 4 how much? 16. So total number of sweets how many? 16. So therefore total number of sweets equal to 16. Right. So after this we have completed second chapter, children. On Monday we are going to the next chapter, construction of quadrilaters. So all of you take your compass box. That is, you have to take that box, compass box for third chapter. Okay, ma'am?